Howdy everybody, welcome to my Module 1 introduction video for AEP 100. My name is Jared Struby. Hope you're all enjoying some summer break. A little bit about me. I work at Washington High School in Kansas City, Kansas, USA 500. We're a urban school district. I teach chemistry and physics. I just got done with my fourth year. I am the science department lead. I'm also part of the district next generation science team, developing curriculum for the district aligned. I'm married and I have a daughter. They are kind of my first priority, followed by my work and my education. So a little bit of reflection on innovation and technology. I think they both allow for collaboration and feedback more quickly and efficiently, and that they have the opportunity that technology and innovation can enhance student learning opportunities and facilitate student-centered learning, making that learning real for students and making them the focus instead of the teacher. Some not so good things is I think technology can become a crutch, and it can become the focus that we're teaching kids how to use technology instead of using the technology to help educate kids. And it can be a source of distraction, especially with districts like mine where we have one-to-one laptops in our high school. Sometimes we have to spend a little bit more time educating our students on the appropriate use of technology, and so that they're not distracted on social media and games and other things like that, and they're using the technology to enhance their education, and so that can be kind of a problematic feature of technology if not managed appropriately. My personal use. Now, sometimes I am guilty of getting a little overzealous when I find a new toy to use, a new website, a new piece of technology to use in the classroom. I tend to overdo it, making it the focus instead of the instruction. So my kind of philosophy is trying to use technology where it can enhance learning and provide a better or unique experience for students that might not otherwise be possible. We live in a time where we can do museum tours without necessarily having to go to the museum, which is important, especially if you want kids to have an experience that is not possible because it's across the country or in a different country. And I like to use, I know I can improve my use of technology for gathering and analyzing student data. As teachers, we gather data all the time, and I think certain technology can make that much easier and much more impactful. So my plan, in order to enhance my practices, can just keep educating myself through classes like this, through collaborating with other teachers and other people, collaborating with businesses in our community that will enhance learning, provide authentic experiences for our students. So the impact of funding will have. Funds can be difficult to come by, and so we need to be very judicious and very careful with what technology I use. So I tend to focus on freely available or Creative Commons open source resources and technology where I can, and if I do need to spend money, it will be because of the very high quality of the technology or resource, and that I can't duplicate that any other way. That's when I will push for uses of funds. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I look forward to this class. Have a nice day.